Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we'll be making Urappu Adai. Adai is a traditional South Indian breakfast pancake recipe made with a combination of different lentils and rice. Adai is most often served as a tiffin dish for breakfast or dinner. With little bit of planning, you can make your breakfast wholesome with this delicious high-protein crepes. These are the ingredients that you will need for the Adai. You will need 2 cups of Ponni boiled rice, 1 cup of Toor Dal, 1 cup of Chana Dal, 1 cup of Urid Dal, and then you will need red dry chili flakes as per your spice intake, and 1 large chopped onions and a whole garlic. These are the ingredients that's been already pre-soaked. The next step is to add the soaked rice and dal into the grinder. Grind until you see a coarse texture. Add salt as required while it's grinding. Then you can add the dry chili flakes. This is how the texture should look like. It should be thick and will fall in dollops. Once grounded, transfer the batter into a bowl and add the onions and garlic. Mix well to combine. You can avoid the onions if you like to have a plain dosa. You can even add various grated veggies or green leafy vegetables to the batter and make the traditional Adai more nutritious. To make the Adai, heat an iron pan on medium heat. Once the pan is heated, spread the batter into a crepe in circular motion. Drizzle a teaspoon of oil in and around it. Allow the Adai to get cooked for about a minute and flip over. Cook until both sides are lightly browned. And there you go! Adai is best served hot with a sweet and spicy chutney. You can refrigerate the leftover Adai batter and use up in the next 2 days. If you enjoyed watching this recipe, please make this traditional breakfast spicy Adai and enjoy it. Please subscribe to our channel and smash the like button and the bell icon.